So once I've pasted my memo, I click on what? Send. Okay, you are eligible. Withdraw cards. You can see you are eligible. Withdraw cards. So I click on what? Withdraw your cards. It seemed that we all are about to jubilate and laugh again after Notcoin and dogs. The reason is because Cat Snapshot is around the corner and you all know that listing will definitely follow suit. Now, if you noticed, offline crypto exchanges like BitGet, Gates.io, Bybit, and some others have been added for the withdrawal of cats. This is good news actually. But remember that you have a limited amount of time for you to link your withdrawal method to your Cats Telegram minigame. If you don't do that, you will most likely miss out on the cashing out of your Cats Airdrop tokens. In this video, I will discuss my view on the best withdrawal method to use and also show you some other things that you need to do in preparation of the Cats official airdrop listing. Now let's get started. So right now, this is Cats and I click on play. Meow. Okay, now remember that if for any reason your cat is not opening, a lot of people say my cat is not opening, whatever. This is an old hack. Look at it. Just come here and click here and you click on open app. Okay, it should open. Okay, yes. Now you can see that this is my cards and you can see my rewards, tax, invites and everything. And the very first thing we are on to right now is on airdrop. Okay, this is airdrop, and from airdrop you can see what? Exchanges. I click on exchanges and I click on what? Continue. And then you can see 4 exchanges. You can see BitGet, you can see Gates, you can see Bybit and KuCoin. Now, you may want to know if this is BitGet or BitGet wallet, okay? And you know the both of them are different. The both of them are actually different. I have the both of them. Let's search BitGet. This is BitGet wallet and this is BitGet. Now, from the look, let us look at the logo. You can see the logo here. You can see this logo here. So let us go and confirm which of them it is, okay? Now you can see that the logo is actually reading BitGet, okay? Yes. But before I connect my wallet, I would love to make this turn transaction, okay? I've done it before, but let me still do it again, okay? I believe in cards, okay? So I click here and it's going to ask me confirm the transaction in your BitGet wallet. So I click on open BitGet wallet. Yes. Now you can see that 0.020 ton is what's required. So I think I have enough of it. I click on what? Confirm. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, so I go back to cards. This may take a while. Okay, so just allow it and watch it roll. Okay, watch it get completed. Reload page. Okay, you can see that what I now have what 17,000 what cards. If for any reason it's not working or it's still rolling and rolling, you can come here like I did and just reload page. Okay, and you can see that this is this is the second time I'm doing ton transaction. Now remember that I use my BitGet wallet, and if I come to wallet right here, you will see that this is ton. I have ton. I don't know why a lot of people are saying finding it hard to buy ton. It is not hard to buy ton. You must not buy ton directly. What you just have to do is to deposit USDT here, click on USDT, send USDT to this place. This is click on receive, and you will see your wallet here. Copy it and send USDT to it. Let maybe 5 USDT, 7 USDT. And remember that you are sending what USDT in ton blockchain. It is not USDT BP20, it is not USDT RC20. Use the ton blockchain, USDT ton. When you send it here, the USDT ton here, the next thing you are just going to do is what? Click on swap. Okay, and swap USDT to ton. Okay, that is just one of the most simplest way for you to get ton. A lot of people are still saying, how can I buy ton? How can I buy ton? This is not complicated at all. You can as well buy ton directly via P2P in wallets in Telegram. Okay, yes. So now that I've done this, we go back to airdrop. I click on exchanges. I click on continue. As for myself, I will be using Gates.io. So I click on it. I've already had Gates.io account. So I click on send here. And it will ask you, do I have an account? Yes, I have already. So now the next thing I need now is my UID, my cash deposit address, and my memo. So let me head over right now to Gates. Okay, so I come to my phone and I search Gates. Okay, I have the app, so I click on Gates.io. Okay, so this is my Gates.io account right here, and straight and direct to the point, the first thing they're asking for is what? UID. You can see it. So I come here, I click on my profile. This is my profile right here. I click on it, and you can see my profile and it's verified. Owo Ka Auto 9. Owo Ka Auto. So right now I click here, and you can see UID. So I copy my UID, and I come here and I paste my UID. Okay, yeah, so this is my UID. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to get my Cats deposit address and my memo. So right here, I go back and I click on wallet, and the next thing I'm going to do now is what? I click on what? Deposit, and I click on what? On-chain deposit, and then I search for what? Cats. I already searched for Cats here. Look at it, just search for Cats, and you can see Cats. Look at the logo, please. Make sure that anywhere you're searching for Cats, that this logo is being displayed. If this logo is not displayed, please, you may be sending to a wrong address. So make sure this logo is always displayed. So I click on Cats. And remember, you must use the destination memo above in your deposit transfer, otherwise it won't be credited. So be very, very careful. Okay, use memo. So this is the address and this is the memo. So I copy the address, I come here and I paste the address. Okay, the next thing I need right now is to see what I did. If for whatever reason your keypad is showing, please don't type anything, just click on the free space so it will stop showing, because if you type one single alphabet here, you have a wrong wallet address. Please be careful. So I come to memo and I copy my memo and I go back, I paste my memo. Okay, yes. So once I've pasted my memo, I click on what? Send. Okay, you are eligible. Withdraw Cats. You can see you are eligible. Withdraw Cats. So I click on what? Withdraw your Cats. But I don't think you can withdraw right now. Okay, you already know that Cats has not listed yet. So once you get to this point, man, I think you've done all that you need to do for now. Okay, yeah, so that is it basically. Continue your mining, continue your tax. Okay, perform tax right here so you can earn as much as possible before the official listing of Cats. Now remember that the snapshot of Cats season 1 snapshot is happening on 30th September. Okay, and you really need to act fast. Okay, act fast and get this done. Okay, yes, make sure you act fast and get this done. Okay, so you can prepare for the listing. Okay, which can come up at any time. Okay, yes, so Cats have announced their snapshot, so please get this done, connect your wallet, and it is just as simple as that. Okay, if you want to make a turn transaction, fine. If you don't want, fine. I don't think they made it compulsory that you must make a turn transaction for you to participate in the airdrop. Now, every day more airdrops are coming out, and believe you me, some are going to be dust and some are going to be worth it. Some are going to be real cash. So what have I done in regards to that? I've compiled a list of the top 16 airdrops, or 17 airdrops, I think 16 or 17 in number, and I will leave that list in my YouTube video description, and I'll also pin that as a comment. The first comment, I'll also pin it as a pinned comment in my comment section. So do well to join these airdrops and start early. Airdrop farming is just the rave of the moment right now. That is what is trending in the cryptocurrency world. Okay, so join early, enjoy, and cash out with others. Thank you for watching till the end. I really appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video.